Hey guys, I was sitting here and I was trying to think of all the things that I'm thankful for, how blessed I have been. Oh, I've been through some not so happy times in my past, but I've been through a lot of happier times too. I sort of want to know, or I want to say, how can I be a better person? I don't think a lot of people think about that. I'm a little unusual about things like that. I want to be better. I want to be kinder. I want to be more loving. I want to have more patience. And you say, okay, you already have those. Maybe I do, but I want to be better. I want to be a better friend, a better stepmom, a better wife, a better person every day. I don't want, as I get older in time, as I, you know, go into my 70s, be unkind. It seems like a lot of people, as they get older, get more grumpier. Mm, They don't have patience. Things just upset them easier. I don't want to be that way. I just want to be better in anything I do. Anything. Do you? Do you understand what I'm saying? I think life's so very, very short, and I want to live my last years of my life that I am loved and I was loved and I was not a negative person but a positive person. I want to be better. And I don't think you ever get too old to say that you want to be better. It's just something to think about, isn't it? I hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? Until tomorrow, I love you.